Welcome back, guys. It is now Monday, 2 days after the install of the coilovers. Right now I'm filming on my iPhone because spur of the moment got the notification the parts were here, and I was already coming back from Castro Valley area, so stopped on by. And this iPhone, I told you guys before, is plenty good at filming, so this will just be filming of me finishing up the car real quick, and then I'll drive home in the Highlander and get my GoPro and come back and do a first impression test drive. But this is what I was waiting on: a hex bit socket set. I needed a 10 mil because the hardware of ISC, the old one at least, they're Allen keys. I don't know if you guys see. Right there, kind of the hardware is an Allen key. So yeah, 10 mil and I believe 17 mil wrench. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten those down and then toss the wheels on, torque everything down to spec, and yeah, go get the GoPro. Wheels are torqued. I haven't really messed with ride height. There's quite a significant gap, and then you can also tell just how straight up and down the wheels are due to no alignment. Huge gap in the front, but yeah. And then once again, these are just basically straight up and down. There's no camber at all. This one's even poking slightly. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, tighten these down, go home and get the GoPro. Dang, this is like monster truck height. Everything is torqued up. I'm gonna let this car warm up for a little. I know going out driving, it won't be the best handling. I just want to get a feel for how stiff. I mean, a lot of you guys want to understand how stiff the ride actually is comparing to my other coilovers. I called Elite Performance, left a message to see when I can get an alignment. But for now, just gonna take it around the quick block just to see, make sure everything's super tight. And so this will probably be like 100% raw, unedited footage. Just give you my, I don't need these, just going around the block. My real, whatever. My real first impressions on how everything handles. I wonder if the car will even drive straight. So for this, I realized my GoPro kind of glitched out at the very end and for some reason didn't record most of my initial thoughts. But I think from driving around on shot coilovers for so long, the stiffness really didn't shock me or have a big impact on me. But either way, I could definitely tell, or I think I can tell, when I finally hit the track with these. That's where I'm going to see the biggest difference. The body roll, all the sharp turns, braking, cornering. Just around the block, it's really hard to tell. Mainly you're just looking at how the ride is, and overall the ride is significantly better. It is stiff, it is jostling, you feel every bump, but it's nothing out of the ordinary, something I wouldn't expect from this very stiff suspension at 12K compared to an 8 and 6K. But the clips you're about to see next is me fully adjusting to full stiff compared to 3 clicks from soft. So that's basically what you guys missed. So far is still not as bad as I thought. Whoa. Not as bad as I thought it would be. So yeah, I'm excited to try these on the. That was all right. That's pretty jostling. I'm excited to try this on the track. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I mean, thoroughly enjoying the coilovers so far. I mean, besides the
fact that they're more stiff, I can't really say how well they handle, because one, I'm not aligned, and two, I'm not gonna take it to the canyons because the canyons are stupid hot right now. But I mean, I'll give it a shakedown, like some on ramps, off ramps. But no, I mean, 10 out of 10 so far. These coils are great. And I'll give you guys, like, kind of, I won't do like a full video, but I will definitely give you guys a little update once I get aligned and my thoughts from there. But I'll catch you guys in the next video.